Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a raspberry apricot smoothie. This beautiful pink smoothie has just a few simple ingredients and it has over 600% of your vitamin C. Let me show you guys how to make it. So we only need a few simple organic ingredients to make this raspberry apricot smoothie. So I'm using all frozen fruits today. This is going to help keep this smoothie super thick and creamy. So of course we have our frozen apricots and our frozen raspberries, but I'm also using some frozen mango. I love adding mango to smoothies because it's going to help keep it super creamy. If you guys don't have mango, you can also use banana in its place. Then for our liquid, we're going to be doing a mix of coconut milk and a watermelon juice. This way we're going to get both hydration and a little bit of creaminess. If you guys don't want to use coconut milk, feel free to use cow's milk, almond milk, oat milk, they all work. But don't skip the watermelon juice because it adds such a delicious flavor. Then we're going to use a little bit of raw honey, and then my secret ingredient, which is acerola cherry powder. So I love using acerola cherry powder in smoothies for a little immune system boost. One scoop has over 600% of your vitamin C. So if you guys are feeling under the weather or you just want a little extra vitamin C, this is a great addition to add. And if you guys don't have it, feel free to skip it. And if you guys want to add protein to this smoothie, you can also add in your favorite collagen or protein powder as well. So now we're just going to add everything to our blender and mix it up. Once everything is in our blender, now we're just going to blend this until smooth. And now we have the most delicious raspberry apricot smoothie that also has a vitamin C boost. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy smoothie recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so good.